Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now Andre Stevens has confirmed that before he returns to social media, there is something that he has to do. And law enforcement is now confirming that speculations have been correct and that orders against Medikk came from behind the bars. Now, of course, I'm not going to hear from law enforcement and what they have uncovered. And we know law enforcement aim is to not only capture the perpetrator of the crime, but also the mastermind. Look and listen, and then we'll continue reasoning.
We apply the same standard to all investigation. There's a thing that you call solvability factor. And in every investigation, we have to look at the solvability factor. And unfortunately, there are some investigations, irrespective of how the strategy that you use or the approach that you use, you apply all the techniques, you use technology, you apply all the sciences. And it's a natural thing that not every case will be solved. Globally, it happens. But I want to reassure the public that we apply the same standard to every investigation. That matter that you have referenced, I have also intervened, I've spoken to the investigators, I have looked at the evidence that is available, but we are still pursuing that investigation. And if you know how we do our thing, we don't make a lot of noise when we do investigation. We investigate and then we speak after. And that is the approach that we have been taking. And we will continue to take this approach in all investigation. We investigate and we speak after the investigation. But I want to reassure, in particular the mother, I have spoken to her personally, that her matter is not neglected. We continue to focus on it, and we will pursue all leads and use all the resources that we have to conclude closure, because I think everybody wants closure to their case. I just want to point out that whilst we cannot tell an individual how they should live their lives, but one must be cautious with the type of relationship that they engage in. And in that particular matter, we believe that certain instruction was issued by a convict within a penal institution. And we are doing our probe, we are continuing our probe, because we want to bring closure to the matter as well. I want to appeal to the public, if they know anything about that matter, to contact us at 811-311-119. There's no crime that is committed without someone seeing it. So I appeal to our good citizens and people of conscience to reach out to us and tell us what you know.
How is everybody doing? Tonight's lesson is called Building Back. Building back, building back, building back brand Andre Stevens. The man them they try and mash up the brand one day, yeah? So me I build back now, but me not build back no social media. Me have some nice guinea. When I call Father Epic and call Dr. Love. Especially Dr. Love, because Dr. Love teach me how to build back. Dr. Love say, Andre, social media really dead, you know, but you have to build yourself out of social media. You show how Auntie Dana build herself out of social media. You got to build yourself. You see how Auntie Dana make her cake them and build herself out of social media. And build herself and become a reputable brand. You yourself, Andre Stevens, if you build yourself. Dr. Love tell me that. Him tell me say social media now got around for all my life. So you see the time we make out of social media, build yourself. So you know what me I do? Me I build myself, Jamaica. Me I build myself. Me not make nobody else smash me up and take away anything from me. Me I build upon the little what me have left. Dredan, What is up, Drayden? Me can't eat me Guinea them and talk to you tonight. And them nice to see. Dr. Love says, Andre, social media is a wicked place. So guess what? You say all of your cooking, you go start it up. I say, Dr. Love, me want him say, hey boy, all of your cooking, focus for your cooking for the December. And Miss Nerissa, make sure say, me not do nothing more than me cooking and me fashion. Yes. Everybody will think say me just focus on just YouTube now. No. YouTube can't do that for you next year. Mr. McLean, cook me dinner. Mr. McLean! Mr. McLean! I'm probably gonna go buy him cash pot. I'm real sauce. So me have focus on my cooking them. Him say, Andres, yo, Auntie Dana bill herself and make her cake and make this and make that. A year time to make sure so your sauce them ready for the Christmas. Your pig still ready for the Christmas. So, sorry Jamaica, me now focus on YouTube for the rest of the year. YouTube I go come and me go there with it, but me go focus on making my money for my Christmas. Social media for everybody. So if you don't want to come over, come make $1 over social media. So me I make my sorrel pig still. If me get my oven there, me I go bake some cake cause me have my chef them a come back with me. If me get my oven there, me I go bake my cake cause me is a big baker too. And Auntie Dana can't bake alone. And me not going on a competition with no Auntie Dana. Me everybody can bake because cake business is a big business. If me get my oven them, me I go bake my cake them. If not, next year me bake my cake them. Me I make my sorrel sauce them. Me have 3 more sauce me I introduce this year on the market. My sorrel sauce, Thanksgiving I come up around the corner. I want to make sure say me have focus on my brand seat there. Yeah, if you don't believe in me, tell me someone believe in me. You know, say how much people come and want to take how much money from me, 3.8 million, this and that and take time for me build back myself for the little what me have. Time for me build back myself for the little what me have. So if you don't believe in me, say you're not going to support me catering business for the Christmas. If you don't want to support me, if you don't have a staff event, you can call me, we can do an event for 50, 100, 200, 300. Me not do no event more than for 300 people right now because I have the capacity only to do an event for 300 people. If you don't want to give me the big event, me can do it too. Because me can do, me is a very good caterer. Very good caterer. Me used to cater down at Jamaica Conference Center. Me used to do all the digital catering them. Me used to do enough. I want to show, I wish for me catering catalog there.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel and just a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Of course, the like icon and the share icon is also in close proximity, so you can drop a like, boss a share, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and also join the reasoning, join the discussion. As I said, the comment section of 24/7, it never lack yet. All you have to do is be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts. I guess your comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. And of course, for those new to the channel, my sentiments for you and yours is always want to live, love, and prosper, and want to stay tuned. Now, a quick recap. Law enforcement is indeed stating that they believe criminals behind the bar or an individual behind the bar conspire with criminals and has had a hand to play in the disappearance of popular dancehall artist Medikk. And to the reason again, live, love, and prosper, stay tuned.